Hey guys, what's up? I am going to talk a little bit about my website, some things I've got on here that I've added recently. You guys know I build AI systems and solutions, and this is my Chatbot widget that I have on my website. This is Sparky, my AI-powered agent. I'm sure you've heard the term AI agent. It's like the buzzword for 2025. But I've been building AI agents for over a year now, and I have several tools that I have built with my agents that could help you in your business. And one of those is a widget like this that you put on your website where people can come and have a conversation. This is Sparky, my AI-powered assistant or agent. And if I ask Sparky questions about Ecotech Social, he knows how to answer those questions. He also can book appointments. He can show video tutorials that I've made. He can show all my services and offers that I have. He can show galleries. There's a lot of stuff that I've programmed into Sparky so that people that come to the website can have a fun conversation with him. But I also have some demos down here that I've added recently, and I just wanted to talk about those a little bit. This is my 5-step lead generation strategy. This is basically my starter bot for all the solutions that I build for people. If you want to get leads, which most people do, you could get this lead generation bot installed on your account. And what it's going to do, it's going to get in front of people. It's going to gather their information. If I put my information in here, now it's going to give me a lead magnet, and what's happened in the background, that information has been saved, that contact information. It's automatically signed me up for a drip campaign. There's 3 emails on that. They're going to get one immediately to be able to download this PDF if they weren't able to do it right here, and they can do it right here from the bot, this free resource. And the other thing that has happened here is when they come back into the bot, it's going to tell them they were signed up. It's going to give a little video of me, and that leads to your demo with talking about the demo. Click this button. I can book an appointment right here. See if that one's available. And now I have an appointment. And if I would go look in my inbox right now as the business owner, I would see that entire conversation that I just had with the bot. I would have all the contact information here. I will see the appointment that was made. I will see what drip campaign they were connected to. This is a live inbox. I can turn the bot off, have a live conversation with them. I can turn the bot back on. And that's how easy it is to quickly get somebody that comes to my website into my pipeline. And this second demo shows you how to do automated content creation and posting. If you're doing social media posting, you want it to be quick and effective, you could use this tool. And the third one here, if you want to have automated comment replies in your Facebook and Instagram and run this lead generation strategy through that same process on all your Meta accounts, we can do that too. And you can go through that demo. It takes you to a Facebook post where you can make a comment, and you'll see how that gives you a private message, automated, and takes you through that same process. So if you want to see how any of this works, you can come to my website and check out these demos, or you can just click on the bubble here and talk to Sparky, or any of the buttons anywhere throughout my website that say chat with us. You'll get taken to a conversation with Sparky, and Sparky can answer any of your questions, help you book an appointment, and get a free 30-minute consultation. 2025 is definitely the year for businesses to get on board with AI, and I can help you do that. So come on over and play around with the demos. Get in the description down below, click on the links, chat with Sparky, book an appointment. Let's talk. Let's get some AI built into your business systems today.